This tutorial is on how to use filters, group by, and favorites. So those are these three functions right here, and they appear on most, if not all, the tabs on our system. So on calendars, under filters, you can view your specific events, your specific meetings, and you can also add a custom filter. And then you can also group by these functions right here, and you can save certain things as your favorites. But another place that you would probably use this more is in projects. So if you go to tasks, and then now you can see all the tasks. So you can apply filters. For example, you can see all the archive tasks, or you can see all the late activities. And you can also group by the project, the task, who it's assigned to, etc., etc. And you can also see the favorites right at the top. Another place that you could potentially use this would be documents. So you can filter by the different directories, the group, the favorites, setting, etc. And just know that if you want to find stuff more in detail in such large quantities of information, you can use these three filters right here.